Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode tutorial. In today's video, we'll be learning how to do different text effects in episode 2020. And if you want to learn how to do that, keep on watching today's video.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing is sweet the taste.
So what you're going to do is, on your page, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see text effects. And then you're just going to click that little triangle and this should pop up. So what I want is the word sabotage to have different effects. So I'm going to click right before sabotage with no spaces at all. And I'm going to go look for bold, click it, and it's going to do something over here. We're going to leave it. We're not going to touch anything else, except we're going to add even more effects. You could just leave it like this if you like, but I'm going to add more effects. So let's change the color. Let's make this caramel. Let's go back to text effects. Let's do animations. I can make it start shuffling sideways. But the problem is, if I do this, it's going to apply it to my entire dialogue. But I just want the word sabotage to be in a bunch of different effects. So I'm going to click right after sabotage with no spaces. And I'm going to scroll down and click reset. Perfect. So now you just click save and preview. This is what it looks like. If you found this video helpful so far, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell. So let's see if it works. Perfect. So not only is the word sabotage moving, but it's also bold and different colors. And the word sabotage by itself is shaking and everything. And make sure you add reset if you don't want the entire sentence to be added as an effect. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a good day, and I love you guys so much, and bye!